Dark lips is a common problem amongst males as well as females across our country. And there is no treatment that really works for it. None of the lasers or peels or creams or scrubs really give the kind of results that our clients expect from us. So for that, we have now brought the Dark Lip Correction Kit. This kit has got colors which can be used for correcting dark lips in males as well as females. Behind the box, you can see a list of 4 colors that are there inside the kit, and it will give you a quick shade card. Whereas when you open the kit inside, you'll be able to see a detailed description of each and every color that is there inside the kit. We have 3 liquid pigments and 1 semi-cream pigment. The semi-cream pigment, Ivory, is used as an opacifier and to give a more uniform and dense look to the lips, and you can add any of the other 3 colors or mix and match all these colors to give a correct dark lip correction result. So in this we have 3 colors, that is Vivid Red, Orange Crush and Golden Yellow. Golden Yellow and Orange Crush are used to correct the darkness, and Vivid Red is used as a colorizer to add some color to neutralized lips. Ivory can be used as an opacifier to add a uniformity and opacity to any of the color mixtures above. So let us see each of these colors a little more in detail. I'll be taking Ivory. You can press the knobs on both the sides. Ivory is a semi-cream pigment and it can be used to give opacity. It comes in a 10 ml package. So we'll be mixing various colors for you to see what kind of result we can give. To understand the color theory more in detail and to give exact correction to your clients, you can take our color theory course. So here I am adding a drop of Orange Crush, a drop of Golden Yellow, and here let us mix a little bit of Golden Yellow and Orange Crush. Here Orange Crush and Vivid Red. So Orange Crush and Ivory can be mixed together to neutralize the dark lips where there is not much of purple color in the lips. So especially in smokers' lips, etc., you will see purplish dark lips. That is when you need to add yellow. So when you mix Orange Crush and yellow and Ivory, you will get a very bright orange which can be used to neutralize purple as well as dark brown. If the lips are not very dark, so you want to neutralize the darkness and add some color at the same time, you can mix Vivid Red, Orange and Ivory. So in this way, various color combinations can be used to create different kinds of looks. So these are the colors that we had just mixed. I have just spread them out across the paper to give you a better view. This is Ivory plus Orange Crush. This is Ivory plus Golden Yellow. This is Ivory plus Orange Crush plus Golden Yellow. This is Ivory plus Orange Crush plus Vivid Red, and this is just plain Ivory. Now you might wonder that these are looking very bright. We don't want the lips to look orange. The lips won't look orange because on top of that there is going to be eumelanin in our skin that is going to cover those colors. So the color of the natural lip, the darkness that is there, is always going to be there covering the color that you are putting inside. So your end result is going to be something like what you are visualizing through this. So this is if the lip is very, very dark. If the lip is not this dark, if it is slightly lighter in color, then you can use a reddish sort of color like what we have mixed with Ivory, Orange Crush and Vivid Red. So you can get a lip which is reddish in color, whereas if the lip is very dark, you need to use more of oranges and yellows. So whenever you are mixing colors, remember that the color that you are going to be using, the pigment that you are going to be using is not going to be on the lip. If this is your lip, this can be a lipstick. The lipstick will completely camouflage and cover the lip. However, when we are mixing pigments into the lip, this is your natural lip color and this is our pigment. So when it is mixed together, it is going to have the natural color of the lip as well as the color that you are adding. So the end result has to be something that is acceptable for you as well as your clients. So this particular dark lip correction kit has got exactly the colors that you require in order to give the perfect correction to your clients. It has an opacifier in the form of a color called Ivory, and it has 3 colors, that is Vivid Red, Orange Crush and Golden Yellow. This can give the perfect result to your client with permanent makeup treatments using a good quality permanent makeup machine, which also you can find on our website. So what are you waiting for? Dark lip correction in males and females is a common problem across our country. So start right away and give beautiful lips to people.